hello. Hey guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is another haul video finally. So today we are going to talk all about t-shirts. I know these days इतना ज़्यादा ऐसे trend हो गया है आजकल की t-shirts पहननी है, oversized, graphic t-shirts also, plain t-shirts also. So I really thought of doing a t-shirt haul video and all are very affordable. Everything is under 750 rupees only. So I'm sure you guys are going to love this and I'm sure that you guys are definitely going to purchase these because ये इतनी comfortable है, इतनी pretty colors हैं सबके and इतनी ज़्यादा affordable है. And I've also styled these t-shirts in different ways, so do watch the full video to see मैंने इसको कैसे कैसे style किया and how all can you guys wear it. So without further ado, let's get started to the video. So the very first t-shirt is this so nice bubblegum baby pink t-shirt. It has such nice graphic print on the front and I love that thing. It is also very comfortable, oversized, and you can wear it with jeans, with jeggings, with whatever you want to. I've even tied a knot and showed you how this looks like that and it looks amazing, I think. And the best part is that this t-shirt is just for rupees 709. So the next t-shirt is this very nice hot pink color t-shirt. I always wanted a hot pink color and this one is just for rupees 599. I really like how they have, written so much stuff on the t-shirt. It makes it look very classy. And I think the color is complementing with the pants so much. So I think this is a very nice lunch look. The next t-shirt is this lavender color t-shirt. I love this color. It's so nice. I've worn it with jeans and boots and this very nice lavender bag. So I think the whole look is really good. And guys, this is just for rupees 395. Can you imagine? It's so cheap. It's so nice. It's so pretty. I love it. So guys, I really want to share a very personal story with all of you. So when I was in my childhood, the hair that you see right now, I did not have this and I had really frizzy hair and literally मेरे दोस्त मुझे भूल भुलैया बुलाते थे because of my hair. बहुत ज़्यादा मेरे को problems होती थी in terms of hair fall as well, in terms of volume as well. And then I thought कि यार नहीं, इसका कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा. I have to find a resolution. That's why I started using a lot of oils, a lot of shampoos, conditioners, what not. But तब भी वो strength नहीं आ रही थी बालों में. So then recently, around a month or two back, I came across a YouTube video wherein I saw an influencer just like me. She was basically promoting this product and this health product and that's when I started using it. So this is what it's called. It's called Power Gummies. Just like the name says, it has a lot of power in it. It helps a lot in terms of hair volume, hair fall problems. My nails, like मेरे nails बहुत टूटते हैं and मुझे बहुत शौक है nail art का and all of those things. तो उसकी वजह से nail की strength भी थोड़ी खराब हो जाती है and this actually helped me. These are these gummies and they are so tasty. Like I can't even tell you how tasty they are. Like you'll see, these are these gummies and it smells so good. And this is something that I've been having since past say around 4 to 5 weeks now and I'm so happy with the results. Only in 4 to 5 weeks I have been able to see a change in the volume of my hair, in the texture of my hair, in the growth of my hair. My hair growth is faster now and the best part is its ingredients. They have wonderful ingredients like vitamins A till vitamin E. They have zinc, they have biotin and they are tasty. So what's better? So I really want you guys to check this out and you can view all the details around it in the description box below. And also if you guys start using this, please tell me on the comments how it is benefiting you. The next t-shirt is this white color t-shirt. So I love this back. The back is so vibrant and like I love how big it's written. So I think this is really good and white t-shirts are a must, I feel, because this can literally be worn in so many ways with so many different looks. So I really like the white t-shirt. I think you should definitely have a white t-shirt in your wardrobe and the price is just rupees 716. The next t-shirt is this very nice mustard yellow color. I love the graphic print at the front and this is a very nice plain casual kind of a look. You can wear this as a gym look, you can wear this as a casual look. So I think this complements a lot. So I love this. And this is just for rupees 584. So go buy it right now. The next t-shirt is this very nice green colored t-shirt. So this color is showing as teal, but it is kind of dark green. I'm wearing an S size, so if you're the same size as me, then go for an extra small, I feel. And this is for just rupees 545. The next t-shirt is this black color t-shirt. So I love black color t-shirts. Like I feel they go with so many different things. You can wear them with like tennis skirts. You can wear them with such jeans. You can wear them with blue jeans also. You can wear them with jeggings also. and this t-shirt is just for rupees 538, and the quality of this t-shirt is very good. Like, it's not very thin, it's a very thick quality, so you'll love the quality as well, so definitely go for it. The next t-shirt is again a white color t-shirt. So I really like this one also because of the colors on it. Like, they have all lavender purple colors in the front, so I love them with these lavender jeans. So I think this is also a very nice option if you want a white t-shirt. And this t-shirt is just for rupees 716, so I think you should definitely go for it. I love the fit of it also. It's a perfect oversized fit that I wanted, so I really like this. The next one is this purple color t-shirts. Oh my god, I love the look. This is from Urbanic and I really love the whole look that I've created with it. It is a very nice streetwear look, and with the high bun it's looking even nicer. This t-shirt is just for rupees 594. So I think the price is also great and the look is great. The quality is very good. So I have like washed it 2-3 times and it's still amazing. So I think you should definitely go for it. So guys, कैसी लगी आपको सारी टी-शर्ट्स? आई एम श्योर यू गाइज आर ऑलरेडी एट द लिंक्स एंड ऑलरेडी परचेजिंग देम बिकॉज ये इतनी अफोर्डेबल है, इतनी प्रिटी है. सो आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड फॉर यू गाइज टू शॉप दीज एंड टू टेल मी अबाउट इट. सो प्लीज अगर आप इसमें से कुछ भी शॉप कर रहे हो, आपको जो भी सबसे अच्छा लगा हो, प्लीज कमेंट्स में जरूर बताना मुझे. इट विल मीन अ लॉट टू मी. एंड ऑफ कोर्स यू नो द ड्रिल. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो डू प्रेस द लाइक बटन, सब्सक्राइब जरूर करना मेरे चैनल पे बिकॉज बहुत सारी हॉल वीडियोज आने वाली है, बहुत सारी स्टाइलिंग वीडियोज आने वाली है एंड बहुत सारे और एक्साइटिंग कूपन कोड्स के बारे में मैं आपको बताने वाली हूँ. सो प्लीज स्टे ट्यून्ड ऑन माई चैनल. And if you guys want to know more of me, then you can follow me on my Instagram page as well. I'll leave all links in the description box. So stay tuned. See you guys. Bye bye.